guys, once again welcome back. Yes, he is not handsome enough, but at the end of the conference, my vlog begins. So right now we are moving back to Haflong, and here are my friend. We 5 of us are not handsome enough like me.
Chalo, chalo, chalo.
What's your experience?
Yeah, it is a wonderful place. We are in the Sumi village now. Yeah, Cheminio district. We came for NSA 31st conference. Yeah, it's a very beautiful place.
Thank you.
Yes, Jack, what you go?
Easily.
Chỉ bỏ gì cái ná? Anh ấy bao giờ hay? Cái mà mua qua.
He's shooting video only, bro. Presenting AZSU. We are from Assam, so we have 2 vehicles. This is Bolero and here is Jimny. Yes, we are here to move back to our location. That is Haflong. He's our ex-officio and he's President Mark. So here is a driver and here is the secretary of our unit. And right now we are moving back to the Dimapur. Khavina, देखो ना इधर. Friend, हम लोग आधा रास्ता पे गाड़ी फंस गया है. फंस गया माने टायर, गाड़ी का टायर वो फ्यूज हो गया था. इसलिए अभी आधा रास्ता पे हम लोग गाड़ी बना रहा है. बिल्कुल हम अभी जंगल से आए हुए हैं. जंगल पे कुछ लेतरा उतरा फेंक आया है. फाइनली अभी बन गया है. क्या करूं, इसे फ्यूज हो गया होते रहेगा तो हमको कुछ बिल्कुल ऐसे पसंद नहीं है. अभी से हम लोग ऐसे करना बंद करेगा. बना लिया है. हाँ सिलुपा lah ilangan tu lah. Pada sibat dan sah. Keren ya kuno keren pakai तुम तक बा. इसको तो नहाना पड़ेगा. अभी तक नहाया नहीं है. Kung le ya, kagab ko rang ali. Ngau ka tay ba gam le ma. Pampo ma ga te na kagab ko noi. बिना मालिक आप जो चीज हो अगर ले लिया तो इसको चोरी बोलता है भाई. है क्या? हाँ. ओनर्स लोग का ऑथराइज बिना ऑथराइज लेके अगर कुछ करेगा तो इसको चोरी बोलता है. सारा ले. तेरे ने हिंगा कैमरा ngau पे के. Pa si bang tu nan pas na dun hai jela. Nang tu tam president. Này mong mình. Nang tu sẽ bị cổ lo. No. Ai để pe để băm để ai để phun hàng cổ mà cả mày khám tìm nó luôn của đây đằng căng tại cái pe lo mấy chứ mà.
Therefore, today, my dear people, with all your support, in unity, we have made an history. So let this be an example. Flash.
You have a big role to play as a general people in your own country and for others. That's why you should be take as a privilege that you belongs to the and you have many challenges to play. So that's what I want to say. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, we are celebrating 94th death anniversary of Haipoza Dondang. And we just want to give this respect. Yeah. Thank you.
Finally, God answered our prayer. So at the utmost, I would like to thank God for His blessing to the Lenong people this time. Secondly, I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude and sincere thanks to all our people's representatives, senior leaders, prayer warriors, and all the civil organization leaders who have played a vital roles in different angles to make this happen.
Just to find emotion hiding somewhere in the
Welcome the heat of Nagaland. Yes, we are about to reach Dimapur. So this is a Pakai College. So now we are here for taking a photography of them. Finally, we are in Dima Hasao district. The sun is about to set. Here we are between Lamding and Haflong. Coming back from Nagaland. My pack becomes 7. So, I hope today's vlog will be enough from here. See you again in the next video. हमेशा 6 pack देखने के लिए ready करो. दाद क्या पुनीज नागालैंड क्यों क्या पुनीज ladies ज़ाइदाम ज़दुंदाम ज़बाम दले. सेल ज़बाम लोगे पुनीज conference ना वांग ले चिरांगा पुम चोज़ काई ज़बाम दले. 31st NSF General Conference 2025 host rank my student union. सेल ज़काई लुबाम लोगा नहीं. Tuna changrap long chang ma bam je kana si sakan di ba kana ni rim na ba teu za no lang ba ga na block kamai hang se kana ending wa he za bam lo ga bunu ide bunu si sha ji habreo ladle
यहाँ पे हम लोग शूटिंग किया था। ऐसे समय हम लोग का हेलीकॉप्टर करेंट पे फंस गया, अभी गिरना शुरू हो गया, सेकिंग होना शुरू हो गया, अंडरग्राउंड पे टच हो गया।